Hello everyone, you're watching Tasty and Easy with Anna. Today's video will be very quick, very simple, and very tasty because I have a great lazy dinner recipe for you. It's based on rice with different smoked meats, sausages, and tomatoes. In short, it's going to be delicious. And everything will be cooked in one pan, easy and perfect. Take about 400 grams of any sausage or processed meat. I'm using smoked pork, and cut it into small cubes. You'll also need 1 large tomato or a handful of small ones. Cut them into small pieces as well. If you're using cherry tomatoes, just cut them into quarters. Place a large frying pan over heat. Add some vegetable oil and a piece of butter. Add the garlic. You can use fresh garlic or dried, like I do. Add the chopped sausage. Then add 1 cup of rinsed rice and the chopped tomatoes. Season everything with salt and fry for a few minutes until the rice and sausage become lightly golden. If you like, you can add another piece of butter. It definitely won't make it worse. It will be richer, but also much tastier. Butter helps release the aromas and makes the dish much more flavorful. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything well so the mayonnaise is evenly distributed. Then pour in water. The water should completely cover the rice. Simmer over low heat with the lid on for about 20 minutes. Then open the pan and check. The water should be fully absorbed. The rice should be cooked, and the dish is ready to remove from the heat. The rice won't be fluffy. Its texture is closer to a creamy risotto-style dish. With this recipe, the rice turns out incredibly aromatic and delicious. It's a perfect option for lunch or dinner. This is the dinner we end up with. I hope you liked this idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Tasty and Easy with Anna. Many more easy and delicious recipes are coming. See you next time.